Okay, so here's the parts for the camera. So these are the pieces I printed. There's the main holder, the pivot mount, a little screw threaded on piece that will go there, and the piece that will hold the camera itself. And here is the camera with the pieces in the box. And what you've got is a small screw that will hold it on the printer. The actual camera itself, move that out of the way, with its lens cap. And the USB cable and connector. So, hardest part of assembly on this is simply to get the camera into the holder. And for that, remove the lens cap, always a good idea, otherwise you will never see anything. Slide it in there. Have the camera piece and the LEDs, those are your little lights there, come through. Then you're going to take the end connector, and this will only ever go in one way, and make sure it goes in the right direction. Push in, there we go, so that's connected. Bend the wires slightly, put this into the hole over here and rotate it 90 degrees so it locks in place. Everything's looking good there. And you're going to take the back piece with the mount, and this will slide into this groove here. You can see this, the way it's chiseled out. So put that down, line up the slots. Get it lined up right. There it is. That will push all the way down. And then your camera's locked in place. There's your camera. I'm going to attach that to the back of the printer, and I'll show you that in a moment. Then this will go into there, and finally throw these things around, that will screw onto the end, and then that will lock it in place and tighten it up. Alright, let's get this onto the printer. Okay, so here's our printer. What will happen is, you can see how you have a hole for the screw to go in, and that raised section, and those correspond to the two holes there. So as you can see, it will go like this. You'll push this in like that, and then from the other side you're going to take that tiny screw, push it in from the back, and then using a simple Phillips head screwdriver, screw it in. So I'm going to need both hands for that, so let me just do that. So with the camera mount now screwed firmly in place, we simply take this, drop it inside, take our screw part, put it on top, thread that in place, screw it up, so this will make this nice and tight here. So now we can pivot, move around, we can adjust it to whatever angle we want, and then take our USB cable, bring it down here, and remember there's those two USB ports. Just slot it into one of them, and that will be the camera installed. I'll go and show you it working in my main print room. Right, so here it is installed, and you can see how the LED lights go towards the rear and the camera lens itself comes to the front, and there's a reason for this, and you can see the way it's looking at the print head and what's being printed out, because that's how the camera is going to be sending the image to your software, and you can see it there. So Yep, so this way I'll be able to monitor it on my phone or on the computer, and it's all looking good. I'll be able to make time-lapse recordings as well. Well, that's it, folks. As easy as that.